Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Zumo on your Amazon Firestick device. Zumo is other platform that you use to watch live TV channels, but the features that make it different is Zumo completely free. This app does not require a user to purchase their premium membership or create an account to watch their content. All you need to do is just install the app and start watching live TV channels, movies, TV shows, documentaries, entertainment, and much more free of cost. So the Zomo application is officially available on Amazon App Store, but it is restricted in several countries, so make sure you use a VPN while downloading or using. Let's download the app. So first of all, what you have to do, where to find, slide down and click on search, and here type Zumo. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear, so slide down and click on Zumo free movies and TV. Now click on Zumo icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick. So just click on download button and the Zumo app start downloading automatically. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So here as you can see, Zumo app has been installed. Now you open this app from here and also from home. So after installing, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here hold remote home button for a few seconds. Click on apps. And guys, here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire Stick device. So slide down and hover to Zumo TV. Press remote option button. Right side menu appear on your screen, so slide down and click on move to front. So here as you can see, Zumo TV is front of your all Amazon applications. Now press remote select button to launch. So guys, this is the home screen of Zumo TV. Here you can watch your favorite movies, on-demand videos, live TV channels, and also you can see left hand side menu, and in this menu you will find live TV, free movies, on-demand videos, and also mobile content. So guys, you can use this method to download Zumo TV on your Amazon Fire Stick device, and I hope this video will help for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button, and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.